The year 1956 gave birth to two historic happenings. One, a newly formed state named Kerala, and the other, a center of relief named Lizzie. Lizzie Hospital, founded in 1956 as a charitable institution, is the living expression of the apostolic concern and social responsibility of the Archdiocese of Ernakulam Angamali. The hospital, as the premier project of Lizzie Medical Institutions, a registered charitable organization, is owned and managed by the Archdiocese. It is situated in the heart of the city of Kochi.
Lizzie Hospital Cochin, founded in 1956, is a charitable institution. It is a 750-bedded multi-speciality hospital with 27 major clinical departments. It aims at rendering quality medical service to all, irrespective of caste, color, creed, religion, and is providing dedicated service of care with love to the poor and the less fortunate sections of the society. This hospital started from humble beginning in 1956 with just 24 beds. Thereafter, the hospital grew by leaps and bounds. In 1959, the bed strength was increased to 250. The first kidney transplant was successfully performed in 1999.
The Department of Cardiology at Lizzie Heart Institute is one of the largest cardiac centers in Kerala, providing exceptional care for patients with a team of highly dedicated professionals. The department is a leader in clinical care, education and research, providing services to more than 40,000 patients annually. This department is one of its kind in Kerala to provide treatments for both adults and infants at an affordable cost.
The first cardiothoracic surgery was performed in 2002. New training courses such as BSc Nursing, BSc MLT courses, and diploma courses in various fields were also started. At present, this hospital is running postgraduate DNB courses in 6 specialties, in which 62 doctors are at present enrolled. The first heart transplant surgery was performed in 2013. Lizzie Hospital achieved another milestone in 2014 by performing first heart retransplant surgery. So far, 23 heart transplant and 458 kidney transplant surgeries have been performed in this hospital. The commendable service rendered by Lizzie Hospital has been recognized by various statutory authorities, as evident from the following awards won by it.
Lizzie Hospital has achieved Green Operation Theatre certification from Bureau Veritas.
Recently, Lizzie Hospital received following 3 awards, which is a matter of pride, commendable achievement. Award for work in conservation of energy from Government of Kerala. Responsible Critical Care Units Award presented to the hospital in South India for the first time, awarded jointly by Indian Society of Critical Care Medicine and Association of Healthcare Providers of India. Gold Medal for commendable implementation of labor laws, awarded by Government of Kerala.
Hospital has installed solar panels all over the roof to provide sufficient energy for their day-to-day activities.
Our values: quality policy, quality objectives, milestones, managing body, the organizational structure, specialty services, super specialty services, supporting departments, supporting clinical departments, technical and facility services, clinical facilities, laboratory services, other diagnostic services, Hospital committees. Safety and quality initiatives. Staff in LISI. Outpatient census. Organ transplantation. Total surgeries from Jan 2018 to June 2019.
Foreseeing future expansion and development, the hospital has purchased 5 acres of land at Kakinad as well as several properties located in the vicinity of the hospital. The construction of building meant for LISI Center of Oncology and Research opposite main hospital building is the site where old OP department was functioning is progressing fast. Once the building with 9 floors and the area of 1,15,000 square feet becomes fully operational, Cochin would get a comprehensive cancer treatment center with all modern treatment facilities. Robotic car parking, which started functioning recently, has the facility to park 81 cars in its 7 floors at a time. New multi-level parking, constructed along with residential building, will start functioning soon.
As the proverb says, the plans of the heart belong to man, but the answer of the tongue is from the Lord.